Look at this post. Topuria posted this on his Instagram after his first career loss to Gaethje. In this post, Topuria is calling out Justin for a rematch. Now the question is there any hope for their rematch? Bro, there is no way that Justin will fight Topuria again. He has clearly denied that, saying I ain't giving Topuria any chance for a rematch. So forget about seeing Gaethje versus Topuria too. You can say that Gaethje is ducking Topuria now or whatever. But the fact nobody can deny is that Justin beat the hell out of Topuria that night. Justin's win over Topuria was not by luck or accidental. That was a proper game plan execution. Justin came with his game plan, he executed his game plan and beat the hell out of Topuria in a way nobody would have imagined before the fight. I can't forget the face of Topuria, how his face was looking after the match ended. Bro, Topuria was not able to see properly. In my opinion, Topuria should take a break because imagine he just faced a divorce, lost his undefeated record, lost his belt, and got brutally beaten in front of the whole world at the White House. So think, bro, he really needs a break to overcome all of these problems. And I hope life becomes kind to him. He is a warrior, just one loss can't define a fighter. He is still very dangerous. I believe he will surely make a comeback and will shock the world again. But I'm really sad about one thing, and that is super fight between Topuria and Islam. Forget this fight too now. It's 100% guaranteed that this is not gonna happen ever. Islam versus Topuria is not happening. After his loss to Justin, there is no way Islam will give Topuria any chance, and the rematch between Topuria and Gaethje, that's not gonna happen either. Gaethje clearly denied the rematch. So what is the future of Topuria and Gaethje? In my opinion, Topuria should take a long break to overcome these things happening in his life. We all should pray for Topuria. And for Justin, I think Justin should retire now. There is nothing left for Justin Gaethje to prove. He has made more than enough money, captured the undisputed lightweight title, and achieved everything, man. He should retire now. He is the only fighter ever to hold 4 different UFC belts: the interim lightweight title, the BMF title, the White House belt, and the undisputed lightweight championship. At this point, the smartest thing he could do is retire while he is still on top. That's what I think. Share your opinion in the comment box and bro, pray for Ilya.